In today's video, I am going to show you a trading strategy that works mainly for stocks and CFD in the time frame of 5 minutes. In my case, I'm going to use it in Microsoft in the 5-minute chart. The strategy I'm talking about uses the concept of gaps. Gaps are areas on a chart where the price of a stock or another financial instrument moves sharply up or down, with little or no trading in between. As a result, the assets chart shows a gap in the normal price pattern. The strategy is really simple. In the first hours of the market, we will see if a gap has occurred. In case the price is below the gap, we will make a buy trade. We will put our stop loss at 1% below the opening candle of the market, and our take profit almost reaching the highest part of the gap. If the price is above the gap, we will make a sell trade. We will put our stop loss at 1% above the opening candle of the market, and our take profit almost reaching the bottom of the gap. This is a very simple strategy that anyone can apply and does not use any kind of indicators. Let's look at some more examples. And ready? I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.